training, we're going to go over how to give away an ebook or an offer that you want to give somebody. We get this question all the time. It's really not that hard to do. We're going to show you how in this advanced training of the Conversion Pros. Okay. So what I did is, first of all, you have to have your ebook. Whether you write your own on Word or a document, or you buy some what's called PLR, you have something. After you have it created, what you want to do is you want to go over here like to a website called Scribd, SCRIBD.com. You set up an account. I've uploaded a PDF, okay, that I already had. And I'm going to, and if this only takes PDF, there's a lot of, you can take a Word document and convert it to PDF for free online. So Facebook ads made easy, a complete guide. So I'm going to hit done. As soon as I do that, it gives me a URL to use. Okay, that's my URL. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the Conversion Pros. I'm going to start a page. So I'm going to hit create a page. I'm going to use this template here in the middle, edit. I'm going to name it FB Ads Made Easy. Name the page FB Ads, hit save. Okay, then what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to delete, I'm going to leave the headline real quick. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to change the form over, okay, because I want to get a name, email, and phone number, but I'm going to paste that Scribe link. You see, I pasted that there. I click name, email, and hit save. All right. I'm going to delete the social media. I'll mess with the button and whatnot later. Because this is a Facebook ad, let's go do the background real quick. So I'm going to click on pick background image. I'm going to scroll. I think I have either Facebook or a, okay, Facebook, here we go. All right, so I'll look for something I want here. Maybe I like all these thumbs up. Hit that. I'm going to immediately darken the opacity, like I've shown you in our master classes to do. So your page will pop a little bit more. Okay. And I'm going to write, become a master of Facebook ads and print money. Okay, gonna reduce that text a little bit. I might go look for some fun text to use here. Man, there's 700 fonts, and I've been through like maybe 150 of them. There's so much fun that you can, go through and play. Sometimes I'll go to the ones toward the back that I never get to. That looks fun. All right, and then I'm going to say add text, edit components, drag and drop this in. Get your free ebook today. All right, so we got the base set up. We'll go back and mess with this a little bit more and make it, dress it up a little bit. But now what I wanted to do is I'm going to go over to Canva. It's free graphics. You just need to set up a free account, okay? Once you're in, you can look for templates, and you can scroll down after you're in. And there's posters, logos, all kinds of things in here. And they have like a book cover, okay? So let's say I just grab this book cover, use this template. All right. Obviously, I don't want this background here, so I'm going to click on backgrounds, and I'm going to look for a background I may want. I think you can actually search too. You can't. Let's see here. Backgrounds I like to do, usually pretty basic. So I want, just this blue here. That's like a blue leather. And I just keep looking here just to see if there's something else that pops off that I really like. Guess it really doesn't matter because that's actually better. Okay, so I'm going to now change the text. I'm just going to go over here. Get ready to print money. All right. Then I'm going to go down here. Facebook. Obviously that's too big. So if you highlight this and go up here, you can reduce the size. I noticed I spelled it wrong. And I don't want red either. So I'm going to change that to white. And I'm just going to come in here. All you're doing is, it's kind of just like our system. You could just type ads method. And I'm just going to turn that to white. You can change the text and all that stuff here too, but. And then I'm going to go over here to uploads. I uploaded a couple pictures, okay, which you can do. You could upload your pictures. And I just did this to, and this is, I can resize this like this. Get ready to print money. Facebook ads method. You know what? I might write so they know it's a book cover. Ebook. Something like that. If I want to do that. Okay. All right. When I'm done with this, I can hit. Where is it at? I think I could just hit download. PNG. You want PNG. You want a clear background. I hit download. There are some sources out there that that let you do a 3D ebook, you know, where it actually looks like pages and stuff. Usually those are paid though. There are probably some free sources out there that you can use. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to here to Imager, and I'm going to drag and drop the image here. Let me find it. I have another window open. And I just drag and I drop it. Okay, this is obviously going to be a big image. Copy image address. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into our page here. I'm going to edit components, drag and drop the picture, paste the image address we just copied. I'm going to try 25% to start and see how that looks. Actually, it looks pretty good. All right. And then right here, I could edit this content. This book is 100% free, no gotchas. Get instant delivery once you fill out the form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that text white. Maybe italicize it. Make it look a little bit better here. I'm going to drop a little bit background shadow in there too, just to make it pop a little bit. And then I use the spread feature so it doesn't look as much. Okay. Once I'm done with that, take a free tour. I'm going to hit edit. We're going to edit this button to say get ebook now. And we're also going to change the style of this button. We don't want that yellow. I'm going to click on background. I'm going to drag that into the blues so it looks good. Background shadows, we're just going to line this up. That eliminates that background shadow when you do that. And now we have a pretty solid looking page. I'm actually going to go maybe into a more darker blue here. I think I like that better. That looks better. Okay. Save. All right, so let's see what happens when people fill out the form. So I'm going to go into Conversion Pros. We're going to go into our page builder. I'm just going to hit preview, which will open up the page. And let's fill this out and see what happens. Get ebook now. And it automatically takes me right over to the ebook that I uploaded. And so they would get instant delivery of the ebook that they would get. And then you got the lead. Your phone app and the Conversion Pros just got notified that you got a lead. And now you can follow up and build an entire list like that. So it's very easy to do this. You just upload any document over to Scribe that you want to give away, make a quick cover for it, and then come into our system and build a pretty awesome looking page that looks like, okay, I can get a free ebook, which is great. Okay, and again, you can get the more 3D covers too, and there's software that does that out there, but usually those are a little bit paid, so I like to show everybody the free methods first, and if you want to go do something else, you can. But it's the same thing. It would work the same way no matter what cover you send up. So, all right, that's how you do it.